The background to Marathon 2 superiority is found here at Leyland Southall factory in a calculated blend of individual craftsmanship and technology, skilled hands working in concert with thinking machines. The turning of the fuel pump flywheels, for example, is now numerically controlled by programmed tape. Craftsmen of matured experience assemble Marathon's Leyland TL12 engines. Then, using advanced techniques, every aspect of their performance is tested to guarantee peak power output and maximum fuel economy. The entire Marathon 2 process is precisely controlled by two giant computers. But assembly of the trucks remains a task for caring hands. Throughout assembly, components are constantly tested. The braking system is checked for air pressure loss, and any individual leaks are traced and rectified as part of the regular production process. Electrostatic painting ensures that every square millimeter of the Marathon 2 chassis is totally protected. Although subject to regular and frequent inspections throughout assembly, no Marathon 2 leaves Southall without undergoing a meticulous overall testing program of principal components, not only to prove perfect functioning, but also to ensure every vehicle meets the design requirements laid down by Leyland's engineers. Severe practical testing has always played a most important part in the Marathon's continuing development program. At the toughest testing ground available in Britain, selected Marathons are subjected to conditions way beyond any they're likely to meet in service anywhere in the world. We have tried many times to test the Marathon suspension system to destruction. We failed. It proved indestructible. Operating at 38 tons GCW, the Marathon 2 will readily climb a 1 in 4 gradient and restart on a 1 in 4.5 gradient under maximum load conditions. This ability, together with Marathon's tight turning circle and low steering effort, will prove to be of equal benefit, whether negotiating mountain passes, hairpin bends, or urban traffic conditions. The positive operation of the pedal-mounted brake valve ensures optimum performance under the worst braking conditions. Internally, drivers will find the new Marathon 2 a considerable improvement, with new luxury trim and fascia designs. The suspension seats are adjustable fore and aft for height rake and even driver's weight. Upholstery is in washable brushed nylon. Marathon 2 has ergonomically planned instruments, which are exactly where they should be, in direct line of vision and within easy reach. In addition to the primary controls located on the steering column, the panel includes a comprehensive range of gauges for all major warning systems, which are backed up by warning lights with an audible warning on the braking system. The combined secondary and spring parking brake control is fascia mounted. The sleeper cab version of Marathon 2 is outstanding because it enables the unit to be coupled to maximum length trailers and remain within the law. The cab can be equipped with 1 or 2 bunks. The upper bunk is hinged along its length, enabling it to be stored out of the way when the truck is operating. The cab has its own reading lamp, and the curtains draw round all sides to give a snug but spacious night environment. The design of Marathon 2 suspension ensures comfort and stability under all conditions. The provision of a brake antifreeze prevents the freezing of condensation in the air supply. The taper leaf springs feature nylon interleaf anti-friction buttons. An anti-roll bar is fitted as standard on sleeper cab versions or as an option on day cab models. The spare wheel carrier is rear-mounted to improve weight distribution and ground clearance, and the braking system and performance conform to the latest EEC directives. The revised cab lockdown mechanism features flexible mountings for improved noise insulation and ride. For greater ease and safety, the cab tilt pump is now curbside located. The fan is thermostatically controlled for extra quietness and economy. All services to the instrument gauges and control feed lines to the cab are provided through a nylon loom. No need for full volume in this super sound insulated Marathon cab, one of the quietest in-cab environments available. Rapid warm-up in-cab heater performances and fuel economy are further enhanced by the provision of a thermostatically controlled Kaiser radiator shutter. The Marathon 2 accelerator features a kickback exhaust brake control. The Marathon 2 transmission comprises a twin-plate clutch with air hydraulic actuation, the world-proven Fuller road range change gear box, and heavy-duty hub reduction rear axles are fitted as standard. The fifth wheel is factory-fitted to ensure correct positioning and weight distribution at all times. The Marathon 2 standard specification is impressive, but a wide range of optional equipment, for example, Maxaret petroleum regulations equipment, are also available. The Marathon 2 in 38-ton form is powered by the thoroughly proven Leyland 6-cylinder turbocharged TL12 engine, producing 273 bhp. In addition, there are variants of Marathon 2 available with either Cummins or Rolls-Royce power plants. And Leyland provides Marathon 2 operators with unrivaled backup service through a network of Leyland national sales companies and distributors throughout the United Kingdom, Europe and the